Well, hello friends. How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Finding some interesting things to do at home. I know I've been working on quilts, and I also started making some masks yesterday. Been doing a lot of gardening in my backyard, and just spending time with my son, and we just got a new cat, and his name is Theo. I'll try to include him in this video so you can see him, but we're doing fine. I want to share with you all today a song that I wrote about spring. It's called Sunshine and Birds. I know that one thing that's really been helping me a lot is spending time out in my backyard and just hearing the birds sing, which I'm out here right now. You can hear the birds singing, but just being back here with the birds and the sunshine and the flowers and the plants and the bees and squirrels and all the creatures and living things out here just really cheers me up a lot. So before I sing this song for you, which I hope that you'll learn this week, I'm going to take you on a little tour of my backyard, and hopefully I can film what I want to show you. Sometimes it's hard to know if I'm filming it because I'm not very good at using the iPhone, but let's go on this little tour together so you can see what I've been up to and see what my backyard is like. This is just a view of my backyard.
I thought you built that wall.
I'm gonna that's my neighbor Jan. She's checking on me. She likes to check on me. Alright, so that's my chair. This is for a different grade, Jan, a different song.
Alright.
Alright, so let's see. Here are my irises. Let me see if I'm actually filming those. There we go. Those are my irises. I'm sure you have this in your yard. Let me see if I'm actually filming this. These are violets. I'm sure you have those growing in your yard. Oh, my chair. This is my composter. Here it is. It's where I put all my food scraps for my garden. They turn into compost. So I've been spreading that on my garden this week. Here's my beautiful fern that's starting to come out here. Here's a really special flower. Make sure I've got it on the screen. This is called Trillium, and it's a native plant of Kentucky. I have a good view of it here. Planted these hyacinth the other day, but they're kind of wilting, but they'll come back next year. I've got hostas coming up here, and got all kinds of animals out there. This is my new garden bed. See, I can't tell if I'm filming this or not, but anyway, hopefully you can see it. That frame is going to go on it. And let's see, here are my tulips. Oh, and there's a Mr. B. Mr. B's coming to visit. My yellow tulips. My hostas. I planted these iris the other day. More hostas. It's hard to see in the sunshine what I'm actually filming. This is my big rose bush. Here are my other two garden beds. 1, 2. I'm going to be planting tomatoes here and maybe some flowers here. Anyway, so that's a little tour of my backyard. I've really enjoyed being back here and digging in the dirt, etc. Alright, so I'm going to sing you this song. It's called Sunshine and Birds. Can you see why I would write a song like that? Sunshine and birds. That's what's back here. All right. So, like I said, it's a simple song. I think it'll be easy for you to pick up. I hope that you like it, and I hope that you'll want to sing it. And the way to learn it is just to listen to it several times. I'm going to write the words down for you on your lesson, so if you want to print those out to help you learn it, that would be good. And after you learn it and you get familiar with it, I would encourage you to find a nice piece of paper and write the words very neatly to the song, and then create a beautiful border around the words with some of the images from the song that you like. Maybe it's flowers, maybe it's bees, maybe it's sunshine, whatever images pop out for you from the song, and just create like this beautiful page for the song. All right, here we go. Sunshine and birds, sunshine and birds, green grass, warm and blessed. Sunshine and birds, sunshine and birds, spring is finally here. I've been inside so long, I need to hear a song. Stroll outside, what do I find? Beauty everywhere. Sunshine and birds, sunshine and birds. Take a walk in the yard, that won't be hard. Sunshine and birds, sunshine and birds, spring is finally here. What an unusual time, staying home from school. I'd like to see my friends, but that's against the rules. Digging in the garden, a little world unfolds. Earthworms, bees, and squirrels. Now I'm not alone. Sunshine and birds, sunshine and birds, wind in my hair, flowers so fair. Sunshine and birds, sunshine and birds, spring is finally here. So that's what I came up with, guys. I hope you like it, and I would also encourage you to make up your own song about spring. I hope that you're getting outside and, maybe digging in the dirt, preparing for a garden, maybe planting some seeds or plants. Make your own song up about spring. It's really fun, actually, once you get started. Actually, sometimes songs come to me when I'm laying in bed. I'll just be laying in bed and I'll think of a little tune and I'll start thinking of some words, and then I get my phone and I record it and then I write it down later. So that works for me sometimes. Also, I would encourage you, if you play another instrument such as I don't know, violin or cello or piano, maybe you could try to figure that song out on your other instrument, because it's pretty simple. Do 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 do. That's the chorus. Sunshine and birds, sunshine and birds, green grass, warm at last. Sunshine and birds, sunshine and birds, spring is finally here. See if you can pick out the notes for that on your other instrument. Alright guys, I'm going to sign off for right now, but want you to know that I'm thinking about you and sending you lots of love from here in my backyard. And I'll have more for you later. Alright? Take care. Bye.